Welcome to this module here. I am so excited because we are getting towards the end of this course. And this week, we're going to look into how to rig your online course launch strategy with exciting and effective sales copy. And the whole purpose of this session here today is to get your online course ready for successful launch. The thing is, what's the point of having a course that you've spent hours developing if you don't have anybody in the waiting room and there's no revenue generated from the course? Then you will have just spent a lot of hours studying and collecting information and building the whole thing out, and then maybe just feeling like really frustrated about the amount of effort you put into it. I don't want that to happen to you. So the important thing we're going to talk about today is, who are you and how will your clients find you and know who you are? And what are these special offers you're making so they can decide, yes, we want you and we want to join your course. This was a little bit of the information you can get in my online course on how to create meaningful and profitable online courses. If you're interested in learning more, please visit my website and you can see what you can get by joining this class of knowledge about creating your own meaningful and profitable online course and build your reputation as an industry expert. And to reach more people, duplicate yourself like a good version of Mr. Smith and make revenue while you are sleeping. If that sounds good to you, check it out. Aloha.